Today's in Playground is unboxing Captain American and Iron Man Funko Pop and T-shirt set. Let's start with Captain America. In the box there is navy blue collar t-shirt with Captain America printed in front, nicely packed with 4 inches glow in the dark Funko Pop. Let's take a closer look. The Funko Pop glows in the body, under the feet and also on its back. If you like this Captain America Funko Pop, do smash the like button below. It also has bobblehead. Subscribe now as we move on to unboxing Iron Man Funko Pop and t-shirt set. In the box there is gray color t-shirt with Iron Man printed in front. Similar to Captain America set, it comes with 4 inches glow in the dark Funko Pop. Both of them comes with bobblehead and have vibrant glow in the dark effect in the Avenger suit. Take a closer look. Smash the like button if you like the glow in the dark effect. Do you prefer Captain America or Iron Man? We would love to hear from you. Do leave in the comment below. If you like this video, please smash the like and subscribe button below. Till then, stay tuned for our next video.